This low-fat, plant-based bread stuffing is scrumptious, yet it has no oil, added fats, or weird ingredients, just wholesome plants. Dice 2 yellow onions and 3 stalks of celery. And you want these kind of small so that they'll cook down with the onions. And just remove any parts that don't look pretty. And the fresher these are, the less bitter they taste. The pan is already heated and there's nothing in the pan. It's just dry. It's already going to start cooking because the heat is on. Can you hear the sizzle? Oh, and it smells so good. You don't need oil. Definitely don't need butter to cook your food. So now we're cooking the celery and the onions. Just mix this thoroughly. 6 cloves of garlic. Remove the outer skins. Smash it. That makes it cook better. That way you're not getting a huge chunk of garlic. That could be a bit overwhelming. A little bit over 1/4 cup of garlic. Go ahead and add the fresh garlic. It's truffle salt. I got this from Costco. It's actually a pretty good deal. Something like $4 and change. And so it's basically little mushrooms and salt, but it tastes kind of like salty garlic. You have to try. It's pretty good. Freshly ground black pepper. So if you don't have truffle salt, just add salt and just a little more garlic. The pan is on medium-high heat. Add some garlic powder, oregano, a very neutral herb, thyme, red chili flakes, just a little bit of heat, paprika, nice little color there. This is a very large pan that we have. Ooh, ground fennel. I don't like whole fennel seeds. Those are just like, I don't like having chunks of fennel, but the fennel, I think it gives kind of like a kind of sausage type of flavor to it. So the pan we're using, in case you're wondering, is All Clad. I love these pans. They last forever. It smells just so good. Look how nicely this cooks down. We got a sprig of rosemary off our tree, making these finely chopped. Rosemary is pretty strong. You don't need too much. Tablespoon?
Yeah.
Just added the rosemary to the pot. Stir that together. So if there's any bits on the bottom, just go ahead and scrape that off so it'll incorporate into the other vegetables. Now we're adding coconut aminos. So I'd say that's probably about 5 tablespoons, so a little more, probably 1/3 of a cup. It's salty and a little bit sweet. I like it much better than soy sauce. He's adding 1/4 of a cup of filtered drinking water. Stir that together. It'll cook down a little bit more and absorb some of that moisture. Add 14 slices of cubed bread. We used Dave's Killer bread in this recipe. We're going to add it to the onion celery mixture. This is a vegan bread and it's called 21 whole grains and seeds. And we just got it at the market, so you could find it at many places. Go ahead and mix that together. Make sure to add the bread stuffing to the glass baking dish because we are going to bake that next. One thing you want to make sure to do is press down to lock in that moisture and cover it with aluminum foil. Preheat the oven at 350 and bake for 30 minutes. He is removing, oh, so good, the aluminum foil. Make sure not to let the aluminum foil touch your food. We have the timer set for 15 minutes, but we're going to keep checking it. We don't want to burn our delicious stuffing. Here's the stuffing. Looks so good. It's nice and moist. Mix it a few times and then go ahead and plate it up. It's ready to eat. Are you going to make this recipe for Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be posting a mashed potatoes and mushroom sauce recipe next. I'm working on a tofu turkey recipe, so subscribe to this channel if that interests you. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehighfivediet.com.